Hi there, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is CM Manjunath. In this video, you're going to learn how to create LinkedIn content that's going to be so awesome for you because it can place you as a knowledgeable person, a smart person who's willing to contribute to other people's success. That's what LinkedIn content creation can do for you. If you're a student who wants to make an impression on your prospective employers, LinkedIn content creation can help you. Are you a freelancer looking for leads? LinkedIn content creation can help you. Are you a business owner who wants to drive traffic to your website, get more leads and sales? LinkedIn content creation can help you. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Remember, in the previous videos, there's a series of videos, by the way. We started with LinkedIn introduction, then we got into the LinkedIn profile optimization, extremely important for your visibility. In the third video, we learned about content research as a part of content strategy. In this video, this is video number 4, you're going to learn about how to create LinkedIn content using the power of some amazing AI tools. Makes it super easy. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so because as I keep posting these videos, you'll be notified and you can come watch it and benefit from it. Please like this video so that this video reaches a lots and lots of people. That's how YouTube works. Okay, if you like, it's going to reach even more and help more people, and I know you want other people to benefit from this knowledge. All right, let's get in, shall we? This is my LinkedIn account. You know that already. So for the content creation process, I'm going to introduce you first to an AI tool that's so amazing. I love it. Okay, it's called EasyGen. Okay, you can go to bit.ly. That's a link. Bit.ly /cm dash EasyGen. When you click on there, you're going to get to this screen. I've already installed this Chrome extension. In your case, it'll say install this Chrome extension. Click on that button. And when you do so, you'll see this little pink rounded square that you're going to see in that Chrome extension bar. Okay. Click on there. It's going to ask you to enter your email address for the first time. Once you enter that in, you'll get a verification code on your email inbox. Copy that, come back in here, paste it, and you're good to go. So simple. And once you do so, you're going to get this button, create a post. But what is the post going to be about? Great question. If you haven't watched my video, my previous video about content research, please do so because that's where we came up with a list of ideas. Now I have a question like, what is a landing page? That's one of the topics that my audience could be interested in. I'm going to copy that, head back into the EasyGen like so, and then click on that button that'll appear, create a post. Now, when you do that, you're presented with two tabs here. In tab number 1, it says topic suggestions. Now, this is where you're going to see a number of topics suggested by the tool itself. Or you can click on your topic like so and paste that question in there. Click generate post. Boom. This is such an amazing tool. It generates content in no time, literally. Okay, and it's so simple, easy to read. Yeah, short sentences, very simple words. If you want to edit, all you need to do is just click inside there and say something like, hey, I am editing, just to give you an idea. Okay, and I don't want to do that, of course. So once you do that, you're good to go. Click on update. This might take a couple of seconds. Yeah. And once you update it, it's going to allow you to copy the content. Okay. So let's switch back a little bit. Sometimes that happens. So you can click on there. Yeah. Now it's good to go. As you can see, there's a copy icon. You can click on the copy and head back into your Google Docs or wherever you want to paste this content. Think of it like the first draft. You can read through this. If it makes sense to you, that's great. Okay. If you want to add some emojis, you could do this. Or if you want to take this one step further, what you could use what you could do is you can use another tool such as Perplexity, for example, right? And go home, just paste that in. Okay. And I could say something like, uh, you could convert the tone of voice or something like this. Just run it through. Just do your thing. You know how to do it, right? So just do it. Once you have it, copy it, head back into your LinkedIn thing. Sorry, head back to your Google Docs and paste it right there, like so. Okay, so we've given a couple of twists, right? We used AI, EasyGen, Chrome extension, and then we use the power of generative AI. You can use ChatGPT for this, Claude, or even Perplexity. Remember, I use Perplexity. Okay, I didn't want to spend too much time on that because it could get boring, but this is how I do it. Okay, so now I'm good to go. I'm going to copy all of this content like so. Right click, copy, go to LinkedIn. It's as simple as that. Click on, I'm sure you know how to do this, right? Next to your profile picture, it says start a post. Click on there and just right click and paste. Okay, now this is the content that we got from AI. So there are going to be some formatting issues. If you just take a little bit of time to clear all of those. Okay, so you get the idea. I don't want to do that, the like 10 points, but you get the idea. Also, what I would recommend you to do is when you post something on LinkedIn, obviously you want some engagement. Okay, asking a relevant question would be a good idea to elicit a response. Okay, so let's see what we can pick up. Engaging visuals, strong and concise headlines. Okay, I could ask something like, okay, which point about a high converting landing page makes most sense to you? That's my question. Okay. So obviously, I'm picking one from here, or they could pick one from here and just let me know. That's it. As simple as that. So that's how it is done, folks. You can do it that way. The next thing you could do is add hashtags. Okay. Adding hashtags will give you more reach, more visibility. Again, that's the goal of doing this whole thing, right? But how do you do it? Very simple. Remember in the last video, we did a research for landing page. Okay, now these are some of the content creators. Let's see, if you looked at this post, there's a hashtag. It says AI landing page builder. Is that relevant to me? If it is, I'll copy it. Okay, let's see this. Marketing tips. Lead generation, landing pages. Okay, landing pages is super relevant to me. So what I'm now going to do is go back to my doc. So keep it to about 5 hashtags maximum, between 3 and 5. To me, 4 makes sense. So a couple of them would be general hashtags and 2 would be specific. Okay, so in this case, this would be landing page itself, right? Come on. Landing page as a hashtag. I got that one. Okay. Again, I'm going to go back to my list and see if there's something that makes sense. Conversion optimization. You see, that's a relevant one. So I could do something like conversion rate optimization. That could be one. Or I'm thinking perhaps I should do the shorter version, which is CRO. Okay, now I don't know which one would have more volume. Okay, so what I did is I went into LinkedIn and searched for those. You'll notice that there's conversion rate optimization, 1004 followers. And then I did for the CRO, 9380 followers. Okay. Now, I mean, it's a no brainer to me. I think this would be a better hashtag for me to go with. Okay. If I want more reach. So, what am I going to do? I'm just going to copy landing page like that. There we go. Number one. And another hashtag Seattle. Pop that in right there. Okay, you can go with a couple of generic ones, right? So it would be something like digital marketing or marketing tips, like we saw there. Okay. Or it could also be lead generation, right? These two make a lot more sense to me. So I'm going to copy, go back in here. These are some of my generic hashtags right there, like so. Paste, boom. How cool is that? Okay, then you can hit post, but don't do that yet. Okay, there's one other thing I want to bring your attention to, and that is to make sure. So that's how you do your research on LinkedIn, and ideally, like I said, use do too. The one last thing I would recommend doing is including media. Okay, including a video or an image makes a lot more sense. Okay, so what I've done is I've already come up with a prompt and I'm keeping it simple. I'm going to say, imagine a successful Indian businesswoman. But I'm going to introduce you to another really cool AI tool. Okay. And that is called meta.ai. Okay. And I saw some really cool images. They're very colorful and lovely. So I decided to use this for this. So I'm going to type that prompt. Very simple. Ta-da! And Meta is going to generate some beautiful images for me that I could use. Four of them to be precise. It's loading. Ah, that's so cool, right? I love it. Now, this one seems interesting to me. Yeah, looks beautiful. Has that very Indian vibe. So I'm going to click on the three dots up there, download it, and I'm going to call that. Yeah, that's fine. I'll click save. It's on my desktop. I'm going to head back into my LinkedIn again. Click on the plus, not plus, sorry, here, add media. Click on there. And then on my desktop, I have my link, successful Indian woman, Indian businesswoman, like so. Boom. Okay. You can even add alt text, uh, an AI image of a successful Indian business woman. Right there. Let's make this capital. Right there, like so. And then I could add, and next, boom. Looks beautiful, right? So that's the power of using AI to create content and input hashtags. And of course, you can also do media. Okay, I hope this was useful. Creating content for LinkedIn can be as simple as this. But before you start diving into creating content, remember doing your research is the key. That's the first step. All right, I hope this was useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel as well so that you won't miss out on these amazing pieces of content that can make you a rock star when it comes to LinkedIn and everything LinkedIn, actually. Great. This is CM Manjunath signing off, and thank you for watching.